This is not even a half-mile radius. And there's probably 40, 50, maybe 60 homes in this picture. In that neighborhood, there is somebody going through life happens. But how do we know which ones they are? They don't have a flag in front of their house saying, I'm that guy. I'm the one going that's unemployed. I'm filing bankruptcy. My wife left me. My dog left me. The way I do it is I look for homes with no pride of ownership. And if you have no pride of ownership, maybe you're lazy, maybe you're going through something. Who knows? But I'm going to find out. So I knock on your door. Hey, I was just in the neighborhood. I'm looking to buy a home. I mean, if someone says, what made you come to my door? I always say, I love your house. And I really do. You see, they think I'm talking about Cape Cod or ranch or whatever, but I love it because I love houses that look like crap. I love houses that need work. In this neighborhood, if you drive these streets, you're going to find an ugly house, meaning everybody else has manicured lawns. They have, their bushes are trimmed, their yard is edged, their house is painted and clean. But there's always somebody who's not taking care of their house. So when I'm in a neighborhood, if I see a house that looks like crap, it makes me think somebody is going through something. And even if they're not, what does it hurt to ask?